with another video, and today we're going to be making some glow-in-the-dark slime. And today it's going to be the first time on my YouTube channel doing slime with glow-in-the-dark pigments. So we have green, we have dark blue, red, pink, golden, and orange. So I think I'm going to choose pick this one. So I'm going to put the other ones back. And what you're going to need, I almost forgot, is some glue, contact lens solution, the glow-in-the-dark pigments, of course. I like to use a sifter so that the slime doesn't get out clumpy, and a mixing utensil, and also a bowl. So the first thing I'm going to do is put the sifter on the bowl like so. Open this up and pour in the powder. So I've got it in there, and I think the rest spilled out. That's okay. Now I'm gonna add the glue. Okay guys, not making jumbo slime, we're making normal slime. That should be good. The pigments and the glue together with the mixing utensil. And this is turning out clumpy so far. Baking soda here. Hopefully it will turn out better with the baking soda.
Yes, I'll come back to you. No, I won't ask where you run under the sun. Yes, I'll come back to you.
Now I'm going to add the contact lens solution until it starts forming into slime. So, I added a lot more baking soda. Because guys, I don't want this to be really sticky slime. I also want it to actually be slime.
And hold up the sun.
I think I need some baking soda. I mean, contact lens solution. Silly me. It takes work to make slime, people. Work. Is it slime, or did it slime, or did it slow? I don't know yet. But it's still slow. I need to fix it more. More contact lens solution with baking soda.
Yes, I'll come back.
But it's not slime. Nope. Not slime. So hopefully I can fix it. I don't know. I remember one time when my slimes were like really bad, I tried to fix it, but it just ended up being overactivated slime. I don't really want that to happen again because they did not turn out well, and yeah, they just did not turn out well. It was definitely slow. Which is why I don't want it to happen again. Let's speed this thing up.
and hold up the sun.
Guys, I'm in my room and the lights are off, so you pretty much can't see anything. So the slime does glow in the dark. Look, it's I don't know why it said, the label said purple on the back of the pigment, but it turned out really good. I mean, it might be really sticky, but at least it's not Sloan, and at least it goes in the dark. So my last words are, go to your YouTube settings, turn on your post notifications so you know when I make a new video. Like this video, subscribe if you're new to my channel, and see you next time. Bye!